Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We are in the middle of the month of June, and we are so excited to bring you these topics that we're covering in June. Victoria, what are you going to tease us with on this Monday Compass?
For my compass, we're going to flip the other side of the coin. We're going to continue looking at issues of narrative distance, but we're going to literally focus our lens in on something called focalization. Now, I'm not going to define that for you or tell you what it is, but I am going to say if you come back tomorrow, it will be the other side of the conversation that we started last week when we were looking at the external forms of writing narrative distance. So this time we're going to zero in a little closer. Kathleen?
Okay, well, we are on the character trait of gratitude. I love this character trait because I have so much to be grateful for. So it makes me very happy to be able to share this character trait. Well, last week we talked about the definition of gratitude, and finally we had a character trait that means what you think it means. We've been having all of these character traits. We say, well, no, that's the technical term, and how we use it is different, but we want to focus on this. No, gratitude is what you think it means. And we just had a lot of fun exploring that last week. And this week, we're going to talk about the character profile diagram. How aware is your character of dealing with gratitude, and what does it look like on the different places on the character profile diagram? So come on back tomorrow where we will explore more about gratitude and find what we can be grateful for. See you then. Bye-bye.